Hello, hi, I'm Maths, Vectors, Exercise 5C, question number 6. The points A, B, C, and D lie on a straight line. So in the book, there is a picture of a straight line with points A, B, C, and D on it, with AB equal to BC equal to CD, so they're evenly spaced out. Given that A is the point 354, which I have written in column form here, and C is 1, -1, -8, which I've written here. Find the coordinates of B and D. Well, A to B and B to C are equal. A, B, and B, C are equal. Therefore, if I'm going from A to C, so starting at 3 and going to 1, I would need to drop down 2. So to get to B, I would only have to drop down half as much as that. So to get to B in the X direction, I would need to go to 2. So I'm dropping down 1 there. To get from 5 to -1, I would drop down 6. So the midpoint for the Y coordinate would be 2. And for the Z coordinate, 4 down to -8 would be -12. I'm dropping down 12. So if I drop down 6, which is half of 12, I would get -2. So point B will be at 2, 2, -2. Okay, so that one is just similar to the questions you've done earlier in the exercise. Now, point D lies beyond point C. To get from A to B in the X direction, we drop down 1. To get from B to C, we drop down 1. To get from C to D, we would also drop down 1 because AB equals BC equals CD. So I'm going to drop down another 1 to get the X coordinate of 0. Here, A to B is a drop of 3. B to C is a drop of 3, so C to D would also be a drop of 3. And then in the Z direction, we're dropping 6 each time, so we would end up at -14 there. So the coordinates, remember guys, if you're writing a coordinate, it has to be written horizontally. D would be 0, -4, -14.